Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my new video. I hope you are happy, safe, and doing well today. Today's topic is very powerful and life-changing. How to speak English fluently without fear. If you feel nervous when speaking English, if your heart beats fast, if you are afraid of making mistakes, then this video is exactly for you. So please watch this video till the end, because today I will share simple, practical, and powerful tips that can completely change your English speaking journey. Part 1. Understand your fear. First, let's talk about fear. Why do we feel afraid to speak English? There are some common reasons. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, lack of confidence, thinking, my English is not good enough. But listen carefully. Fear is normal. Everyone feels it. Even people who speak fluent English today were once beginners like you. The only difference is, they did not stop.
Part 2. Change your mindset. If you want to speak English without fear, you must first change your thinking. Stop saying, I can't speak English. My English is bad. Start saying, I am learning. I am improving every day. I can do it. Remember this. Fluency is not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need to communicate. Part 3. Start speaking every day. The biggest mistake many learners make is this. They only read, they only listen, but they don't speak. If you want to speak English fluently, you must practice speaking every day, even if you are alone. You can talk to yourself, describe your daily activities, speak in front of a mirror, record your voice. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am going to the market. Today, I feel happy. It may feel strange at first, but this is one of the most powerful methods.
Part 4. Stop translating. This is very important. Many learners think in their native language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple sentences. I am hungry. I need water. This is beautiful. At first, it will be difficult, but slowly your brain will adapt, and one day, you will speak naturally without thinking too much. Part 5. Practice with simple sentences. Don't try to speak big, complicated sentences. Start small. Simple English is powerful. Instead of saying, I would like to express my emotions, say, I want to say something. Clear and simple is always better. Confidence grows with simplicity.
Part 6. Listen and repeat. If you want to speak well, you must also listen carefully. Watch English videos. Listen to podcasts. Hear how native speakers talk. Then repeat after them. This method is called shadowing. Repeat their tone, speed, and pronunciation. This will help you speak more naturally, improve pronunciation, build confidence. Part 7. Practice with others. If possible, find a partner. You can talk with friends, join online speaking groups, use language learning apps. Don't worry about mistakes. Good friends will support you, not judge you. And remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Part 8.
Don't fear mistakes. Let me tell you something very important. Mistakes are your best teacher. If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning. Every mistake is a step forward. So next time you make a mistake, don't feel embarrassed. Just smile, correct yourself, and continue. Part 9. Be patient and consistent. Fluency does not come in one day. It takes time. Some days you will feel confident. Some days you will feel stuck. That's okay. The key is consistency. Practice a little every day. Even 10-15 minutes daily can change your life. Part 10. Believe in yourself. Finally, the most important thing. Believe in yourself. You are capable. You are strong. You can learn English. One day, you will speak English fluently. You will speak without fear. You will feel proud of yourself. And that day is not far. So, my dear friends, let's quickly remember today's key points. Fear is normal. Start speaking every day. Think in English. Use simple sentences. Don't fear mistakes. Be consistent. Believe in yourself. If you follow these steps, I promise you, your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. And your fear will disappear.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope from the bottom of my heart that you learned something valuable today. I hope this video gives you not only knowledge, but also confidence, courage, and motivation to start speaking English without fear. Always remember one thing. You don't need to be perfect to start speaking. You just need to be brave enough to try. Every small step you take today is building your future. Every sentence you speak is making you stronger. Maybe today you feel shy. Maybe today you feel nervous. Maybe today you make mistakes. But one day, you will speak English confidently. You will speak smoothly. And you will feel proud of yourself. Just don't stop. Keep practicing. Keep believing. Keep moving forward. And always remember this powerful line. Speak more, fear less, believe more. If you really enjoyed this video, please support me by liking this video, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel, Smooth English Talks. Your support means everything to me. It inspires me to create more helpful videos for you. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, please write it in the comment section below. I read every comment, and I truly care about your learning journey. We are not just learning English here. We are building confidence, we are changing our lives, and we are growing together as a strong community. So stay connected, stay motivated, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. And thank you for being a part of this beautiful journey. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking. See you in the next video.